Want to unlock the secrets hidden within your Kvcore website traffic and turn those insights into a lead-generating machine? First, you need a Google Analytics account. If you don't have one yet, head over to analyticsgoogle.com and create one. It's free. Once you're in Google Analytics, navigate to the admin section, usually found at the bottom left of your screen. Then, in the admin panel, under the property column, click on data streams and select your web data stream and copy your measurement ID. You'll need this shortly. Now, log into your Kvcore dashboard. On the left-hand menu, find and click on the Web IDX tab. This is where you control the settings for your website. Within the Web IDX settings, scroll down until you find the Google Analytics ID field. Paste the measurement ID you copied from Google Analytics into this field. Click the Save button at the bottom of the page to apply the changes. It might take a few hours for data to start appearing in your Google Analytics reports. Congratulations! You've successfully linked Google Analytics to your Kvcore website. Now you can start tracking website traffic, understand user behavior, and optimize your marketing campaigns for better results.